I love gadgets, especially when they make my life so much easier. I feel like the only thing that I love more than my kitchen gadgets is all the yummy stuff that I get to make with them, which is why I was really pumped when I finally got this portable blender. There are a lot of times in the mornings I am running out the door. I'm a mom. I got to take my kids to preschool. I got to take them to practice, whatever the case may be, and I need to be able to grab something super quick and easy. So I love using this blender to make a real quick smoothie in the morning, and so that way I can even drink it from the same cup. Honestly, I could still blend this as I'm getting in the car. I want to take it apart and show you just some of the pieces. So you already saw me pop the top, which is great. It has this nice lip on here so that way you can very easily drink from it. It also has this wrist strap, which is great. So that way you can carry it while you're on the go. And then this part comes off, and you can see it's very nicely threaded here. So that way, when you are adding all of the yummy things that you're gonna blend up, it's very easy to get this on and off. And then I'll go ahead and untwist the canister itself for you. One of the things I wanna show you, as you can see as I am undoing this, there is a red light that is blinking. That kind of indicates to you like, hey, this is not on, so you should probably be careful. And the great thing is that this won't even work when this is not, like, the canister itself is not on. Like, I am pressing the button and all it's doing is showing that red light. So I love that safety feature. This is a 6-blade system, and these blades are sharp. Like, they do a great job. They can chop ice, they can chop fruit, they can chop vegetables, like if you're making even baby food, like a baby food puree, or if you're looking to maybe puree something just for yourself and you don't want to lug out the big blender and all that stuff, this is a really great option to choose. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate for you just how easy and great this works by making myself a quick fruit smoothie. Go ahead and take my lid off, and then I am going to add all of my good stuff. So this is like my protein powder, and then also I have some frozen blueberries in here too. Okay, so now I have all that in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in some almond milk. I wanted to show you too that there are some little tick marks on the side of this, so that way you can see just exactly how much liquid you have in there. This on, and then to turn it on, I'm just going to press this button in the front twice, and it'll start blending. Okay, it's done blending. It went ahead and it just automatically shut off. It shuts off after 30 seconds, and I love it. Now this is all ready if I need to go do something, like totally ready to go. I got my shake, and I feel like this also gives me a healthier option too, because how many times am I running around and I'm like, oh, I really wish I had, you know, like a really quick, like something good to eat. When you are ready to charge it, the little USB port is in the back here, and they provide you with the cord for that. The great thing is that if you charge this for 3 hours, this gives you enough to be able to use this like 20 times or so, which is great. So you're not having to constantly charge this either. And then when I'm all done drinking all this amazing deliciousness that is in here right now, it's actually really easy to clean. The best way is to go ahead and take the empty canister. You can just throw some water in there. You can even put a little bit of dish soap in there, and then you can like turn this on and kind of just let it run a little bit. But also you can take this top canister off too and clean it. So if you're out there and you're looking for a great portable blender option, I would definitely give this one a look. I am obsessed with the color, I'm obsessed with how it works, and even more so what I have inside. Thanks so much for checking out this review, and cheers!